Hey there, it's Miss Megan, and I'm here to bring you another drawing tutorial. And continuing the magical creature theme, this time I'm going to be drawing King from the Owl House because he's cute and I wanted to. So, let's see. Well, that's something I want it to look like when it's done. But, for starters, we're gonna want to do is, well, eventually it'll look something like that. So we're going to start off doing is his body is shaped something like a triangle or a squashed rectangle. Like it's kind of both because there's like the triangle here, but like it's actually more squared than that. And then on top of that, you're going to do a circle for his head. I'm going to go and throw placement line in. It's okay that this is messy because it's going to get cleaned up. And then sort of circle shape here. Like if you wanted to go and do the little ball and stick method for the joints, that also works. And then he got his hands on his hips because he's a sassy little guy. Like, I'm not sure, like, is he supposed to resemble like a dog? Like he kind of acts like a cat, but then he's also got that skull on his head. I was gonna say skeleton. It's like he doesn't have a full skeleton on his head. That's silly. His tail goes from his spine out like that, in that sort of direction. We go up here for his horns. That one goes to about there. This one goes about here. And I need to go back and throw the arms in there. And his collar here. Because he is, well, he talks, but he kind of looks like he's like supposed to be the standard magical mascot character type thing. But Owl House, for those of you who don't know, is a show about a young girl named Luce Nocetta, who was thinking she was going to get sent to a very boring summer camp, but finds herself in a magical world known as the Boiling Isles, and ends up working for this lady named Ida, who is also known as the Owl Lady and is a witch. So she goes and gets to learn magic, or tries to, and makes new friends, and has to go and deal with this being a fish out of water in this bizarre, kind of dark magical world. And it's a really good show. So yeah, there's my 2 cents about the show. Also going ahead and adding details now. There's his little fangs here. A little notch for the nasal cavity in the skull. And then I'm also going to go in and draw his toes. Or claws. Whatever. And this one is bent there, backwards. That goes that way. And I need to do his tail. Okay. It's a big old fluffy shape. And there's the different colored spot right at the tip. Though I suppose in thinking about the show, it's like, he's king a magical character if he can't do magic? I don't know. Whatever. What we're gonna do is now I'm gonna take what I've drawn here and I'm gonna go and clean this up. Oh. So yeah, after cleaning things up, you can go ahead and color things if you want to. Or not. Your choice, really. This is gonna be a bit quicker than I'd like, but draw his eyeballs. Oh, forgot about the fluff. There's 3 of these. I don't know that that's exactly positioned right for looking show accurate, but it sort of looks like that. I'll pull off the one I spent a bit more time on the other day when I'm done. Just to compare. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know that I like how quick that was, but we'll keep going. Doop. Boop. And the little circle on his stomach. With the lighter looking fur. Okay, so, well, what I'd probably go and do from here, since this is a bit rushed, is go and continue cleaning this up even further, just to fix the lines, because comparatively, I think the one yesterday was spending a bit more time on getting the lines right. I like it a bit better. But, yeah. That's a little bit of a quick thing on how to draw King from Owl House. And my software's done. So that's it.